Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this sun-dried tomato and rib soup. First of all, cut these beautiful ribs. Ribs will be shrink for about 30 to 40% of the size after cook, so you can cut it bigger. Soak in the water for about 1 to 2 hours, I prefer, and change the water 2 times in between. Peel off the skin. We need some carrots. Now we're going to wash the ribs. Remember, here we're using cold water. Add some ginger and cooking wine. We have to wash away this foam. Now we're using hot water, at least warm water. Put everything in the pot. Add bay leaves, tangerine peel, ginger, boiling water, date, cooking wine. On high heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then turn on low heat for about 45 minutes.
A few moments later.
Add some salt. Then you have perfect soup. Enjoy it. Please give a like if you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel and leave your comments. Save and sharing with your friends. Ring the bell, then you won't miss my future new videos. Thank you so much for watching.